You're watching the Business Channel, creating business class programs. We've all probably heard of Dyson, but perhaps don't know that the Dyson Airblade was the first hand dryer to be awarded the carbon reduction label by the Carbon Trust. Well, here to tell me a little bit more is the company's commercial marketing manager, Anna Picorius. Hello to you.
Hiya.
Now, what's your actual role within the company?
So within Dyson, I work within the commercial team and I provide support to organisations and facilities managers in particular to help them determine their cost and carbon savings should they switch from their current hand drying solution to the Dyson Airblade.
So why have you as a company decided to work so closely with facilities managers?
We feel that we understand that facilities managers have numerous targets to meet, as well as daily operational duties to carry out. And we feel that by switching from their current hand drying solution to the Dyson Airblade, it would help them meet their targets and really ensure that their facility runs smoothly.
Now, how do you demonstrate to them that the Dyson Airblade is actually better than other solutions?
We provide them with a bespoke cost and carbon report and we gather a lot of information for this report about their current hand drying solution. For example, we ask questions such as how many employees are there in your facility, how many times per day is your current hand drying solution used. And with all this information we produce the detailed report and it really highlights their cost and carbon savings should they install and use the Dyson Airblade to help them meet their targets.
And what is it that makes the Dyson Airblade really different to other products which are very similar?
The Dyson Airblade is different from any other hand drying solution available. The Dyson Airblade costs less to run. For example, the annual average running cost for the Dyson Airblade is only £40 per year. It also is the best hand drying solution for the environment compared to any other hand drying method because it has a very low environmental impact. And it also is hygienic. So the Dyson Airblade hand dryer has a HEPA filter which captures 99.9% of bacteria. So it means that you're actually drying your hands with clean air as opposed to the dirty washroom air.
Well, Anna Picorius, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here at Dyson, I'm the head of Airblade development. So that means I work as part of the research, design and development team. It's a team of over 650 engineers. And we take the ideas through from concept all the way through to manufacture. Our ethos here at Dyson is based on James's original frustrations with vacuum cleaners. He was frustrated with how they worked, he went away and he solved the problem. We try and take that same approach with everything we do. We developed the Dyson Airblade because we were frustrated with competitors, mainly because they were slow and unhygienic. In some cases they take over 40 seconds to dry your hands. Therefore we set out to design a product that was faster and can dry your hands in 10 seconds. The engineering for the Airblade all started with the blades. We realised that fast-moving sheets of air moving at over 400 miles per hour could dry your hands much quicker than any evaporative dryer. Once we knew that, we had to develop a Dyson motor that was capable of achieving the air pressures and air flows that we need to be able to do that. So that's why we developed the Dyson digital motor. We test our Airblades by putting each product through 100 separate tests, and they fall into two different categories, performance testing and mechanical testing. Performance testing is all about the function of the machine. A good example of this is dry time testing, where we use an internationally agreed standard to get confidence in our 10-second dry time. Mechanical testing is all about testing the durability of the parts and the products. We put them through situations like wear and tear, vandalism, to make sure that they can cope with some of the tough environments we install them in. There are three main elements that give us the performance for the Dyson Airblade over other competitors. First being the HEPA filter. So we make sure that all incoming air is taken through a HEPA filter so that all harmful particles are removed before drying your hands. This ensures that the air that's used to dry your hands is as clean as possible. The second of these is the Dyson digital motor. This spins at over 100,000 RPM to give the flow and pressure that we need. It's also brushless, so there are no emissions. The third part is the blades themselves. These generate the high velocity sheets of air moving at over 400 miles an hour. This allows us to scrape the water from the hands rather than evaporation, which we know takes longer. The Airblade is energy efficient because of its speed. Because we're able to dry hands in 10 seconds, people aren't using it for as long and therefore they're using less energy.